In this video, I will show you how to gift games on Steam. First, make sure the person you want to gift the game to is already on your Steam friends list. If they aren't, hover over your profile name, click Friends. Then add a friend and send them a friend request. They must accept it before you can send a gift. Next, click Store at the top, find the game you want to gift, open its page, click Add to Cart, then select View My Cart. In your cart, change For My Account to This is a Gift, then click Continue to Gift Options. Select the friend you want to send the game to, add a personal message if you want, choose when you'd like the gift to be delivered, and click Continue to Payment. Finally, choose your payment method and complete the purchase. Your friend will receive a Steam notification letting them know they've been gifted a game, and once they accept it, the game will be added to their Steam library. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.